whom Allah guides and whom He does not guide. Rather, on the contrary, who He Himself pushes towards the wrong path, encourages him to go to the wrong path. This is the divine law. What is that law? It has been given at different places. You know, a law has many clauses. Some clause of this law has been discussed at one place of the Quran. Some other clauses are discussed at other places. The total law is, whosoever wishes to be guided, Allah guides him. Whosoever doesn't wish to be guided and prefers going astray, Allah doesn't forcibly guide him. Number two, whosoever takes to the right path, with every step he takes, the next step becomes easier. With every difficult, part of the journey that he has covered, the more difficult part becomes easier. In the same way, whosoever has chosen the wrong path, he becomes more and more wrong. He goes away and away. Dalla dhalalan ba'ida. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Himself encourages him, makes it easy for him to go more astray, farther away from the right path. This is the law. And the third and the final, clause, there comes a point for those who choose wrong path and continue in it, when finally Allah puts a seal on their heart. And this you may call the point of no return. They cannot return from there. Returning to the right path is made impossible for them. This is what Quran says, Taba Allahu ala qulub. Khatam Allahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim wa ala absarihim ghishawa. This is the point of no return. For some time, there is a possibility of returning. But when you have, because like something, it is correct. This is the right, this is the just thing. But you don't adopt it. Second time, again, the same correct thing comes before you. Same just thing comes before you, you again turn away. Although your heart and mind testifies, it is correct. But you are turning away. Why? Out of your takabbur, your haughtiness, out of your love for this world, out of your love for the luxuries of this life. Yes, this is haram. It is correct, it is haram. But there's a big but. If you continue this way, you will reach a point of no return. When returning to the right path will be impossible. Khatam Allahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim wa ala absarihim ghishawa. This, has been summed up here in a very few words. فَلَمَّا زَاغُوا أَزَاغَ اللَّهُ قُلُوبَهُم. When they chose the wrong path, they went astray. فَلَمَّا زَاغُوا أَزَاغَ اللَّهُ قُلُوبَهُم. Allah made their hearts also go astray. This is the punishment which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives in this world. You choose the right path, you take to it, you start your journey. Allah will make the next, steps easier and easier and easier and easier. And this is tahsil. فَسَنُيَسِّرُكَ لِلْيُسْرَى. We'll make it easy for you. We'll make it easy for you. Go ahead. Get up your lines. Start your work. Allah will make it easy for you. فَسَنُيَسِّرُكَ لِلْيُسْرَى. But if you choose the wrong way, one after the other, you will be going farther and farther away. And at one stage, you will reach the point of no return, when the seal would be put on your heart. May Allah save us from that. Wallahu la yahdi al-qawm al-fasiq. Allah doesn't forcibly guide such people to the right path.